Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is Alfred, and in a series of videos I'm going to show you how you can promote your business presence and your online personal branding. So in a series of videos I'm going to show you how you can create a powerful CV. Then I'm going to show you the steps of creating an email campaign, then using this campaign with this CV to secure your dream job. So in this video I'm going to mainly use Canva, and I'm going to use it to create my resume successfully. So without any further delay, let's get started and see how it's done. So the first step is for using Canva is to start creating your design. This is done by using create design on the top or choosing one of these small icons. So by clicking on more, you will find more other options that you can create with Canva, like documents, whiteboards, and more. So you can see that there is in this common layouts and sizes. You can see resume here. By clicking on it, you will be able to start creating and designing your resume successfully, or you can just go to create a design from the top, and you will find the same exact panel from which you can use resume again and start editing it. So the first step is going to be choosing a specific template, which will save you all what is related to design, layouts, and other things which are related to the colors, which are related to font, which you consume so much energy in it while creating your resume without focusing on the specific content. So you can see that there are many templates from here, and for me, I don't prefer using something with much colors or with much elements. I prefer simple things. However, it's up to you if you want to use something which is colorful, which contains two columns, which contains more elements. It's completely up to you. So I'm going to choose one of these results. Let's go down. Okay, they are so much simple. I need something with more life in it. So I'm going to choose one of the free version templates, because I'm going to talk about all the free features. I'm not going to tell you about anything which will cost you money. So this one is pretty much good, so I'm going to pick it and start editing it. You can also apply all the 3 pages from here, and you can just apply 1 page. It depends on the amount of content you want. So here we have on this left menu more options through which you can choose to control and design your template, starting with the design, which shows you so much templates that you can choose from. And if you want to change the template, here in elements you can see all the elements that you can add to your resume, like shapes, graphics. You can even add AI images by just giving a specific description, and it will get you so much results that you can use from. You can also add charts and more. Next is the text, from which you can add a text box to your CV so that you can start writing some of your content that you want. You can also add some preset font combinations like this one below, but it's not so much related to what you are going to make in a CV. Next is the brand, but this is a premium version, so I'm just going to skip it to the next one. Next is the uploads, from which you can add images, videos, and audio from your PC or your device to your resume. So this is not so related to resume again. This is more related to things like video making and like presentations, for example. Next is the draw, which is free drawing, but again this is not related to what you can make in a resume. Next is projects, which shows you all the projects that you have made in Canva related to this account. And finally apps, which shows you all the integrations that you can make with Canva, making it more and more powerful website that you can use for more than a reason and more than a purpose. So this is pretty much how you can use the left menu. In order to start editing your elements, you need to just select a specific element, and you will find this box appears above. So let's, for example, let's start by zooming in our resume first. So you have many options to use. You have percentages that you can use, like 300%, 200%. So 300% is going to make things so large for you. So there are other two options which you can use, which are fill and fit. Fit will make all the resume lies in 1 page, and fill is more preferable because it will make your resume clear and you can use it uh, and you can edit it while seeing your effects being applied to your resume. So now by starting editing, I will choose the title and I will find this box appears above, which shows you all the options that you can use, starting from font type, font size, and font color, and other related properties which exactly exist in Microsoft Word, like bold, italic, underline. And you can also control the alignment. You can add bullet points. You can control the transparency like this from this bar, which will make your transparency not 100% if you want. You can also control the spacing between lines. You can also add effects like these ones, which will make your text looks more different, like this one for example. So you can add any of these one, it's up to you. So I'm just going to pick none. You can also animate your text, but this is more related to video making in Canva, not to resume, because you are going to save it as a PDF in the end, which will make any animation disappears. So next is position, which you will be able to control the alignment of your text. So this is how you can edit the properties of your text. You can also do the same. You can also change the content by double clicking on it and write whatever you want. Next is to control the properties of your whole template. This is done by double clicking on the background. You will find this bar above. You can add a comment. You can change background color. So if you don't want your CV to be all white, you can use something like light gray, for example. You can use black, for example. But I prefer using white because it's clearer and more eye relaxing. So you can also control animation, position to your background. Now there is an amazing property that you can use while editing the content of your paragraphs. So you can select the paragraph and start writing. And let's say I am a senior software engineer. So I'm going to write that I am a senior software engineer, but I don't know what I will write next, and I don't have any ideas of what I'm supposed to write. This is done by what is called magic writing in Canva. It will help you write all the content for you. So Canva is not only controlling the layout for you, but it can also add text. So I'm going, as you see, I am going to write a senior software engineer. Then I'm going to select magic write, and I have this drop down menu from which I can choose anything. I chose continue writing, and now it will use AI to write more and more text for you. So of course this is not related to what I wanted to write, but I'm going to edit it later. But before editing it, you can also edit all this text. You can eliminate any paragraph. You can add any different words to it. So you can just select it as it is. Then you can eliminate afterwards any extra paragraphs or any extra texts from it by just selecting it and deleting as normal as you will do. So by noticing this paragraph, you will see that Canva has misunderstood me because it started talking about something who is called Alex. So I'm just going to make a small edit so that Canva will not misunderstand me and will be able to give me exactly what I want. So I'm just going to delete all this text, and instead of writing a senior software engineer, I'm going to write I am a senior software engineer. Then I'm going to edit it later because now Canva will understand that I'm talking about myself. And indeed, it has given me the exact text that I want. It started writing what I exactly want, talking about myself. So I'm just going to add what I have deleted before, which is which is a senior software engineer at the beginning. So now it's all done. However, if you think that it's still long paragraph, you can go again to magic writing, but after selecting your text, and you'll find other options like, for example, continue writing, shorten, rewrite. So I'm going to choose shorten so that it will make my text or my paragraph more compacted. And indeed, it has reduced the number of lines and the number of words. So I'm going to use it, and it's now perfect for me. So you can also do the same to the next elements. You can edit these elements either by writing it the way you want, or by just making Canva write it for you. So this is pretty much easy and straightforward. You can edit it the way you want, and all the layout and font and other style related properties are just made for you without any effort, without any distractions. You will have to focus on what you will write. After finishing this, you can head to share on the top right, then selecting it, then choose download, where Canva will allow you to download your document or your CV as a PDF. So this is how easy you can use Canva to create your own resume professionally. And that's it for this video, guys. So if you are interested in knowing how you can use Canva, or after using Canva, how you can use this resume to send it to an email list that will allow you to land on one of your dream jobs, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because this is what we are going to talk about next. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.